Siya. Oh, guys, mga bulaklak ni Ate Bilit, oh. Gigi, tingnan mo, oh. Wala ka ng ganyan. Si Ate Bilit lang. At saka ito, oh. Wala kang kulay na ganyan. Kung gusto ninyo na, mayroon ako dito kasi binigyan ako ni Ate Bilit. Na ako sa ilan ni Gigi. Morning balay ni Gigi. Shout out sa taga Tugigaraw ni bla 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 kanapin. Morning balay sa imo tita. Imo tita perting daghana kayong buwak dinhi ko manguleksyon. Moni dinhi manguleksyon ko sa imo tita mga buwak. Pero mamuwak ni grabe kay ning mga bulaklak sa tita mo parang giant. Wala pa lang ngayon, kakasibol pa lang, pero ito ang garden ng tita ninyo dito sa Amerika. Oo, nagagarden sila dalawa sa asawa niya. Oo, plus nandito pa yung niya, dito kami mangharvest ng nila. Upo, kung time na magharvest ng upo. Tanim to kay sa asawa ni Gigi, kay Rod. Tingnan ninyo, oh, may tanim pa sa tita ninyo yung bawang. Bawang ito, Jiba. Yun, oh, 1 hektaryang bawang. Tingnan ninyo, may 1 hektaryang bawang tita ninyo, oh. Hindi na sila magbili-bili ng bawang kasi may bawang na sila. Ang lulusog ng bawang ng tita ninyo. Grabe. May apple sila, oh. Yun ang bahay ng tita ninyo. Nandito ako ngayon. Kasi hingi ako ng Dito talaga ako manguha ng koleksyon ng mga ko. Mga flower. Yun. Ito ang luwang-luwang ng asyenda ng tita ninyo. Yun. Yung pang malaking traktor, oh. Sa Road. Malaking traktor ni Road. Guys, we are here in house number 1. And then look at this tree. It's overloaded for flower. Oh my God. I've been living this for almost 10 years for this house before we moved to the other house. But I never seen for this kind of flower. And now we are not here. They have all kinds of flower. And that one, the lilac, look at the lilacs. See? I planted this lilac. And now it's a lot of lilac and it smells really, really good. Oh my God. We're gonna pick some for that, bring that home, honey. Yeah. It's not sold yet, so we can pick. But this one, I cannot imagine it. It looks like we are in the cherry blossom. We go to the Boston and then see every corner.
Everyone says, cut that tree down. And then you guys come out here
Oh
trying
my
to cut it.
God.
Leave that tree
And
alone.
see, it's overloaded for
Oh, look, there's a
flowers.
nest up there, honey. You see it?
Oh yeah.
See the nest?
Yeah, there's a nest in there, see. I never have this flower before when we live in here. And now we are not here anymore. Look at that. Wow.